My camera. Well, just got here and today seems to be a lucky day because this park has palm trees like that, and it seems to be a nice spot to do the monthly challenge. I'm running out of time, so might as well just do it here. Okay, here we go. Okay, so this is my first warm-up pack, I guess, and towards the end of it, I started noticing some footsteps nearby, so I headed back to go see what was going on, and what ended up happening was that I saw this little dude standing near me, so yeah, I took off my goggles to go say hi to him, and yeah. And afterwards, I just started trying to do that monthly challenge, as I said before, on Discord, and yeah, and then I noticed that they were running towards the drone, chasing the drone, and that was a little bit dangerous, so I headed back and landed, and after I landed, I told them, hey, I don't want you to chase the drone, alright? Because eventually I might crash on the bottom of that tree. If you're standing below that tree, it might hit you. So could you please just stay here?
Yeah, I want to get it.
How about this? When it's on the floor, you can go grab it, alright? But right now, could you stand here with me, alright? And then after that, I managed to complete the monthly challenge, which is pretty nice. As you can see here, I did a Maddie flip between two palm trees, so that worked out pretty well for me, and yeah, this time there was nobody standing under the tree at least, so that's good. And then, yeah. This little boy, he was really nice, and he was helping me retrieve my drone and things like that, so that was pretty nice, and afterwards, I sort of let him see from the goggles as a passenger while I flew line of sight. Okay. Sorry about that. My line of sight isn't really the best, so yeah, I can understand why he was not really enjoying it very much. And yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to give him a taste of what it was like to be inside the cockpit of a drone, I guess, and after that, I think he got a bit dismayed about the fact that he wasn't able to, that I didn't let him fly, so he started just acting a bit annoying here and there, and what he ended up doing was he started running up to my GoPro, and that really got a little uncomfortable, so I ended up getting the GoPro back, but unfortunately, while I was grabbing it from him, the selfie stick broke, and yeah, after that, I just that was a bit of a pleasant surprise. My DC youngsters and my selfie stick broke, so yeah. I guess that's it. Till next time. Well, yeah, I guess this is sort of an end note to the vlog, and I just wanted to say that I can't really blame the kid for being the way he was, because I'm pretty sure when I was his age, I was probably that way as well, so yeah. As for his parents, actually, I believe it was his grandfather. He was actually sort of helping me get the camera, so I can't really blame him for that, and yeah. I think that the selfie stick breaking was truly an accident, and really was more a problem of me just wrestling out of his hand a bit fast, and yeah, otherwise, I guess that's it again, I guess, so yeah, I guess subscribe if you feel like it, and yeah.